Hey yo, this is Bryce Taylor with the City Schools Student Media Team here at Reach Partnership for their grand opening. Let's see what academic opportunities this school has in store for our students.
Should have schools like this that we can be proud of. The work you will do will bring the promise of what this structure is to the reality of the lives of our young people in our community.
Tell me, how do you feel that your school has been renovated?
I feel good. I feel like the students will do better now with getting their education stuff because it's a good environment, all the new technology and everything.
It's important that we bring these opportunities because a lot of people feel as though school is like their second home.
What kind of impact does a renovation like this have on our high school students?
We are excited. We are extremely excited. The facility makes a huge difference. We have students here almost as if it's the first day of school. There's students all over this place because they're excited about this building.
So first, we're in the cafeteria. And just firstly, this place is huge. And all these windows, it brings in a nice light. So you can already tell that people are going to have fun in here. It's going to be positive. People are going to be happy. And then right after this, we're going to check out that kitchen.
It's a good overall because one, they got the school store in there. And kids want the school store to be open during lunchtime, then they got the opportunity to. You get to watch TV while you're at lunch.
All right, so follow me into this huge kitchen. This is where they serve and prepare food. You can already tell, and I can tell, just by looking back here, there's some dope things gonna be happening in this kitchen. Some good food is gonna be cooked. So right across the hall from the serving area, technically I'm still in the cafeteria, you can look out this window and overlook all your friends playing basketball. So obviously we're in the media center, and again, this room is pretty grand. You can tell that there's gonna be some positive learning going on here. And then right behind me, you got another nice little chill spot with a door. You can probably go into the roof, do some outdoor learning. So a recurring theme in all of our 21st century schools are the collaborative spaces. And since I've been in most of them, this one seems like it might be the biggest. And look, right from the collaborative space, you can look to your right and see the auditorium. That is one heck of a view. So an important feature of all of our 21st century schools is incorporating the arts. And as you can see right behind me, our young scholars are already breaking in this brand new dance floor.
My favorite room is a dance room.
The dance room?
Yeah.
Okay, what'd you like about the dance room?
It's better than our old one, and it's like more space. It got mirrors and everything. It's important because like it's kids that like to dance.
So right across the hall where students are expressing art through dance, here students will be creating amazing pieces of artwork.
This is awesome. I love it. I mean, this should propel them to greater heights, great heights. They have everything.
I'm a visual artist. That's what I do. That's what I love. There's a lot of talent in our school. We live in a community where it's good that we have all these things. That's very productive instead of being in the streets doing something that's not.
So we've been to the dance studio, we've been to the art room, and to finish off this art theme, we had to hit up the music room. And not only is it massive, but it's soundproof to the T. I can't wait to hear what it sounds like when this place is full with our scholars singing and playing instruments. I know what you're thinking. Bryce, why are you in the hospital? I'm not. I'm in the nursing room, a place where the students can get hands-on experience so they can get their industry certificate.
And they're excited. We have new desks. We have new hospital beds. As you can see, the lab in the back. We have the equipment that we need in order for this to be a successful experience for the students. So they're going to soar. I know they are.
So right around the corner is the Pharmaceutical Lab, where our young scholars will learn how to prescribe medication. This is pretty cool. So right across the hall, you have this pathway, Homeland Security, where our students learn how to protect the nation. So I'm down here in the basement where there's two major programs being housed. You got the HVAC and carpentry.
What is an absolutely gorgeous, state-of-the-art, 21st century building that our young people deserve into a life flow of young potential that is realized and that feeds the positive trajectory that our city needs.
So with a wide range of career pathways, a huge focus on art and academics, and a big, beautiful building with huge open spaces, you can tell that this year and every year to come in Reach partnership is going to be a good one. This has been Bryce Taylor with the City Schools Student Media Team. See you next time.